Do you see shapes like this and get scared? Do you hear about the word geometry and get terrified? Do you struggle with shapes in your examinations? If these three questions are yes, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Maths Season. In this my 4-part videos, I'm going to be dissecting geometries. Triangles, circles, cylinders, cone, and so on, in a way a beginner can grasp it. So stick around and walk with me. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies shapes, sizes, angles, and dimensions of objects. It helps us understand the world around us, from the structure of buildings to the patterns in nature. Without wasting time, let's define certain terms. What is a point? A location in space with no size, usually denoted by a dot, like A. How about a line? A straight path that extends infinitely in both directions. And lastly, a flat surface that extends infinitely in all directions is called a plane. Now, let's talk about angles. An angle is formed when two lines meet at a point, and we have 4 types of angles. We have an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees, as you can see, they're always smaller. Then the right angle is an angle that's exactly at 90 degrees. Then the third angle we'll be looking at is the obtuse angle. Those are angles that are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. The fourth angle we will be looking at is a straight line, also called angle on a straight line, means an angle that is exactly at 180 degrees. Finally, the last angle is the reflex angle. These are angles greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Now, we have shapes. Shapes are classified into 2-dimensional shapes, also called 2D. And the 3-dimensional shapes, also called 3D. We have multiple types of 2-dimensional shapes, but I gave few examples. We have the triangle, has 3 sides. We have the circle, we have the square. We have the rectangle, the rhombus, the trapezium, the trapezoid, pentagon, hexagon, and so forth. For 3-dimensional shapes, we have the likes of the cube, the cylinder, the sphere, the cone, and so on and so forth. In part 2, we will start solving questions on geometry, in a simple and basic way that everyone including beginners can understand. Just check the geometry playlist.